Things you didn't know you needed at Ikea Kitchen Edition. First, we have this utensil and knife tray. I love the slots for knives. I think it's so handy. It's $21.99. There's also a few different ones. This one I think would be perfect in a junk drawer. I love my food storage containers, and I thought this one was really unique. The lid is an ice pack, so perfect for taking lunch to work. They're really inexpensive at $1.99, and they come in a few different sizes. These mini cutting boards are convenient. They come in a pack of 3 for $5, and if you're not doing a large cooking job, these are perfect. I love this collapsible tray. If you're someone that likes to work in bed or eat in bed, this is really convenient, and it's only $12.99. I stumbled upon these bowls and I thought they were so cute. I think they are the perfect ice cream bowl. They come in a pack of 3 for $3.99. If you're someone that likes to entertain, they have a huge selection of inexpensive glassware. I love these ones, and I think they'd be perfect for parfait. This glass drink container works perfect. 5 kitchen items from Ikea that everyone needs in their home. First are these beautiful glass food containers. They're perfect for storing cut up vegetables. I love the wood lids, and they come in a bunch of different sizes. I love these reusable food covers. They come in so handy, especially if you have a half left of an item. You can put these over them and it stores it without using a Ziploc bag. I love using them for my lemons and cucumbers. They come in a pack of 3 for $3.99. Next is this beautiful basket. It is $12.99. I love that it comes with a handle. It stores so much stuff, and I think these are perfect to organize any pantry. I love these wooden salad tongs with the white handle for only $5. And lastly, I love these glass bottles for any beverage. They're only $1.49, and they look beautiful sitting.
Lux looks for less IKEA edition. I love to use large cutting boards for not only decor, but also to make charcuterie boards. The wood lid element really elevate these glass jars, and there's so many different things you can do with it. Loving the wooden handle on these, you can use it as a fruit basket or for other organization. These silicone mitts are it. They're not your traditional cloth ones that you wash one time and they look crazy. These natural tone shades are by far my best find. They run from $65 to $200 anywhere else. Here they're only $15.
These drawer inserts also come in black and gray, and they're so inexpensive. Like and follow for more.
Shop with me at IKEA. This doormat, I'm obsessed. It's leopard print and only $8. These bowls are a set of 3 for $4. The tumbler is so cute and it has a spot also for your fruit. These plants I grabbed from my office, $4. This little pitcher with a lid is adorable and it's only $8.
IKEA finds for under $10. I loved this textured floor mat. How cute is this water can? I love the gold handle and the white, adorable. This milk frother is only $2.99 and battery operated. These fruit covers are so neat. I've seen them on Amazon for a lot more. Perfect for your unused fruit. These hanging plant holders are adorable. And of course, I can't leave without my meatballs. Like and follow for more.
Five boho kitchen items from Ikea. This wicker bread basket is super cute and only $6. I love their pink ceramic mugs. This bamboo bowl definitely has a boho look to it and it makes great decor. I love the vintage feel of this pink toned glass and it's only $1.
So I found these clear mugs at Ikea, and they were right beside these cool coasters that I later realized could also be used to seal your drink. Voila.
IKEA Home Must-Haves Part 1. This $15 table mirror, I've had this for years. It's a decent sized mirror for the price, and it sits so pretty on any desk or vanity. This 3-tier plant holder, it's a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but a beautiful piece for any living room or bedroom, especially if you're a plant lover like me. If you have a boho styled home, these lamps are an absolute chef's kiss. This weave napkin holder, it's $6, super convenient, and adds a little spice to your dining table. This gorgeous white and gold watering can, it's $10, and now I'll look extra cute while watering my plants. And this bamboo phone or iPad holder, I didn't even know this existed, but is so simple and adds a little chic touch to any desk setup.
Things you didn't know you needed from IKEA. First, we have this really cool colander. I haven't seen this before, but I love the color. It fits over the sink for $5.99. You know that famous avocado slicer that does everything? Well, this is just like it for only $5 instead of $10. I love these removable deck tiles. I think they're the perfect thing to jazz up any space, especially for people that live in rentals. I use them on my patio makeover and they're really inexpensive. If you didn't know, IKEA is a great place for inexpensive knobs. They have a good selection and you could not beat this price. I love the gold hardware. Thought this was a really cute memo board. I thought it would be perfect in an office with coffee table books for only 20 bucks. And lastly, if you're looking for affordable furniture,
but comes in handy. And then next we have these food covers, which I'm obsessed with. I'm always cutting half of an avocado or lemon, so these help keep them fresh. And then I also love these glass containers. They make my fridge look so beautiful and organized. And then these wood hangers just look a lot more clean if you have a clothing rack. I also have so many of these white frames that I just sprinkle all around my apartment. And I also love this faux plant, perfect for a space with no natural light.
Here are some things you need to pick up at IKEA. This wood cutting board for $9.99. These adorable gold coasters. This faux flower, how cute. The famous avocado tool. And these matte black soap dispensers.